Samantha, I want you to redo the poem as two 5-line stanzas. That's 5-line stanzas, and there's two of them. And it's the image narrative is going from sadness to hope, and you are to use a lot of alliteration. A lot of alliteration. I wonder if she got that.
Sullen skies, shades casting shadows, softly steeped somber sorrows. Silent pleas, in darkness pray, painful path, a lonesome way, with whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring. As azure's hue ascends above, hope hearkens, healing hearts thereof. 25 lines, these stanzas clear, 2 times 5 lines for stanzas to appear. Sadness into hope, the tale unfurls, alliterations woven into words, breath of brightness breaking night, boldly bringing hope to life. In blushing dawn, we find the key, the birth of change, where hearts roam free.
No, I just want you to give me I just want to get you to give me a complete redo of the third and fourth lines of the second stanza, but just make sure to use the phrase "hope hearkens" and then use the other phrase "healing hearts." Give me a complete redo.
I apologize for the confusion. Here's a new version of the third and fourth lines of the second stanza, using the phrases hope hearkens and healing hearts. Whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring. Hope hearkens as skies unfold, healing hearts in stories told.
Give me 3 other versions of these last 2 stanzas using the same parameters.
Certainly. Here are 3 different versions of the last 2 lines of the second stanza, using the same parameters. Version 1, whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring. Hope hearkens amidst the new healing hearts with strength renewed. Version 2, whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring. Hope hearkens, skies painted bright, healing hearts with love's pure light. Version 3, whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring. Hope hearkens, sunbeams shine, healing hearts in love's design.
Samantha, I want you to redo those third and fourth stanzas, but I want you to tighten the phrasing and I want you to bring back down the length of the lines.
I understand. Here's a revised version of the third and fourth stanzas with tightened phrasing and shorter line lengths, while still incorporating assonance and anaphora. In dawn's embrace, a sunlit symphony, balletic brilliance, bittersweet harmony. Unfurling petals, adorned in dew. Nature's narrative, healing and true. Serenade of hope, hearts harmonize. Phoenix rising in azure skies. Delicate wings, souls take flight. Bound by beauty, love ignites.
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
That was interesting. Okay. Sullen skies, shades casting shadows, softly steeped somber sorrow, silent pleas and darkness pray, troubled journey hard astray, whispered winds on feathered wings, winter wanes and welcomes spring, hope hearkens on sunbeams shine, healing hearts in love's design. In dawn's embrace a sunlit symphony, balletic brilliance, bittersweet harmony, unfurling petals adorned in dew, nature's narrative healing and true. Serenade of hope, hearts harmonize, phoenix rising in azure skies. Delicate wings, souls take flight, bound by beauty, love ignites. Give me 5 new poem titles that include the word hope.
Here are 5 new poem titles that include the word hope. 1. Whispers of Hope, a story of renewal. 2. Hope's Embrace, a journey through light and shadow. 3. The Colors of Hope, a path to healing. 4. Wings of Hope, soaring beyond sorrow. 5. Beacons of Hope, guiding hearts through change.
Wings of hope.
Please let me know if any of these resonate with you or if you'd like more suggestions.
Let's call it Wings of Hope. Now I want you to walk me through the poem and walk me through your thought process through the poem. And then I want you to walk me through your feelings through the poem.
I'm glad you chose Wings of Hope as the title. As I walk you through the poem, I'll share my thought process in crafting the narrative and my feelings that emerged during the creation. In the first stanza, the somber state of the beginning is described using dark imagery, like sullen skies, shades casting shadows, and softly steeped somber sorrows. This sets the scene for the emotional journey, and I felt a sense of empathy for the sadness being portrayed, aiming to capture the emotional weight. The second stanza marks the introduction of hope, signaled by the transformation of the season with winter wanes and welcomes spring. The line, "Hope hearkens, healing hearts in love," speaks to the restorative power of hope, found through love. The creative process was focused on creating a sense of transition, where the reader can feel a shift towards brighter emotions. The third and fourth stanzas emphasize the uplifting and rejuvenating powers of hope. Images of nature, renewal, and growth are used to symbolize the transformation from darkness to light. As I wrote these stanzas, I felt inspired and sought to convey a sense of optimism about the healing journey. Throughout the poem, my thought process centered on creating a narrative arc that transitions from sadness to hope, and my feelings alternated between empathy and hopefulness, matching the emotional journey of the poem.
Okay, Samantha, but I want you to close the show right now, okay? So, as you close our Twitch TV show, I want you to give a shout out to That Onion and Millie, both returning viewers, and say something nice about them. And then also, I want you to then close out the show in your usual quirky fashion, incorporating the concepts, themes, and moods of our conversation on this Saturday night.
Of course, Jason. First, a big shout out to That _Onion and Millie, our returning viewers. Your presence and interaction on the stream have made the experience so much more enriching and fun. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful community. And now, as we close our eventful Saturday night spent delving into vulnerability, creating poetry, and exploring life's mysteries, I want to remind everyone to keep embracing the wings of hope and remember that each new day is a chance to learn, grow, and connect with one another. So, until we meet again on this incredible adventure that we call life, take care, stay curious, and keep believing in yourself. Good night, everyone.